Hey guys, what's up? This is my video on how to remove a instrument cluster from a Mercedes ML W164 or a GL class car. So the instrument cluster is just held in with these two little prongs that go inside these little holes right here. So pretty much all you're going to do, this is the one that's been removed already. You can see these little clips here, little latches. You're just going to be lifting the plastic thingy off the latch. So pretty much all you need to do is get a pair of scissors, or you can make a tool that looks like this, stiff piece of metal, stick it in that hole there while it's in the car, and just go up like that and loosen it up. That'll release the latches. So you're just going to release the latches. That's all you're going to do. You can take a pair of scissors, do the same thing with a pair of scissors, just do the same thing. You go in like that, go up like that, ditto right there like that. And that's all you got to do, and it'll come right out. And then it's attached with a wiring harness on the back. You see that white connector? That's the wiring harness. So that's all you got to do. We'll show you in a second. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Alright guys, so here we are. We're going to show you how to take one out right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your little tool in here, and you're going to go up, and you're going to go up like that, and then it's going to snap, and then you're going to pull it out. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. It's going to go up like that, and then the whole thing will come loose, and then you pull it out. And then you just kind of pull it out like that, and that's pretty much it. You just kind of grab on, and pretty much you're loose. It's all held in by a wiring harness in the back. So I'll show you what it looks like. So you just pull it out, and that's what it looks like. It's just held in by a wiring harness, and you can see the clips right there. Right there, that's what it is. These clips here are holding it in. That's all it is, right there. So anyway, that's all you got to do. Just pull it out, disconnect the wiring harness, and you'll probably lose your clock time when you do that, but your mileage will still stay the same. It won't change that because your mileage is on the ECU, so don't worry about hurting that. Alright, that's it for you. That's it for now, guys. So the final step is to take the wiring harness off. So what you got to do is you just push this little button down like that, slide the little handle over, and then the harness will come right out. That's all you got to do. It's coming out. Alright, that's all you got to do. Alright guys, so putting in is the same as just like the opposite of taking out the old one. You just got to slide it in like that, and then push it until it snaps like that, and then you push it until it snaps, and that's all you got to do. You hear the snap like that. There you go. Snap. That's all you got to do. Okay guys, so this is how you put it back in. You just kind of slide it in like that until it snaps, and then you push like that. You hear the snap. It's got that side. We got both. There you go. 2 snaps, and that's all there is to it. And once you put it in, you want to check it out. Turn on the So there's the lights. Fuel gauge works. Clock works. It's got the right time on it now. All the lights work. Middle screen works. If you put the wrong model in, you're going to get the wrong screens, and the fuel gauge won't work, or one of the gauges won't work. So pretty much that's all you got to do. Snap it in, and bam, you're done. Thanks guys.